Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. And here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with outside kitchen refrigerator, outside shower, stabilizer jacks, flip-down travel rack, automatic levelers, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, quad slides, LED exterior lighting, quad step entry, backup camera ready, outside storage, rear bunkhouse, dual lights over headboard, upper bunk windows, entry grab handle, LP leak detector, freestanding table with chairs, smoke detector, over-the-range microwave, battery disconnect, residential grade carpeting, storage beneath lower bunk, jackknife sofa with flip-up bunk, kitchen island, underbed storage, designer headboard, pull-out spray faucet, TV hookup in bedroom, bathroom toilet. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, and toy haulers from some of the most popular brands. So stop by or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 45 years. Welcome to the family.